Hello traders, today is the 27th of June 2010, and this video is about the tools of the professional traders. Okay, this video is very important video for the TSTW24 traders and those who are watching also our videos. Okay, I would like to talk about the sixth tool of the professional traders that are very important. The first tool of the professional traders is the support levels or the support zones. The second tool is the resistance zone. The third tool is the trend lines, and the fourth tool is the higher time frame. The fifth tool is the lower time frame, and the sixth tool is the trend. Okay, very important. So the support, the resistance, the trend line, the higher time frame, the lower time frame, and the trend. Okay, so if you master those six tools, you'll be able to trade like professional traders. What we have discovered, okay, what many professional trader has discovered is that the higher time frame commands the lower time frame. Okay, very important information you cannot disregard. Okay, so when you are trading, you check first the higher time frame, and then you locate the signal on the higher time frame, and then you switch to the lower time frame. Your trading decision should never be made on the lower time frame. This is completely contrary to the professional trading. Okay, so if you have been making your trading decision on the lower time frame, okay, you go on the 15 minutes, you go on the 30 minutes, you go on the 15 minutes, you go on the 5 minutes, you go on 3 minutes, you go on the hourly chart just to make your trading decision, you are not trading like professional traders. Okay, now with this information, you can decide today to change your method of trading, your mindset, okay, in order to adopt a new way of trading by going first to the higher time frame, okay, like the professional traders. So when you start using the higher time frame, you are using one of the six tools that I mentioned earlier on, the higher time frame. Okay, then you locate your signal on the higher time frame, and then you switch back to the lower time frame. Okay, so the higher time frame first, and then the lower time frame. So you are using now two tools of the professional traders, going to the higher time frame consistently, at least the 4 hours chart if you are day trading. Okay, if you are swing trading, the weekly chart is very important to check that, even the monthly chart. Okay, so you go to the higher time frame like daily chart, okay, weekly chart, monthly chart, or at least the 4 hour chart, okay, and then you switch back to your favorite lower time frame like 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 60 minutes according to your risk tolerance. Okay, and then you make your entry there. Okay, so the signal is one thing, but your entry is another thing. So the signal is located on the higher time frame, okay, and then your entry is made on the lower time frame. This is how the professional are trading. The other thing I want to talk about is the support lines, the support zone or the support line. So you go to the higher time frame, like this chart of the USD yen, okay? I draw some horizontal line. This is a support line. This horizontal is a support line. As you can see here, I have also the trend line here, okay? Some of the trend line I draw here. My stupid trend line, like some people like to call it here, okay? You can see that few days ago, this currency pair was bouncing between these two levels. Okay, people sold it here, people bought it low here, people sold it here, people bought it here, people sold it again in this region, people bought it here, people sold it here. Now again, it's in this zone here. Maybe people will buy it again because we are in a support zone here. Okay, that's how you will trade like professional traders. So now on the higher time frame, the areas of interest for you as a day trader, you locate, you draw at least your daily support lines and your daily support, your daily resistance line, okay? And then you try to find, okay, your entry point, okay? You locate your trading opportunities around those zones, like I did a video earlier on that I called trading around the zones. The zones that I'm talking about are the trend lines on the higher time frame, the support line or the support zone on the higher time frame, the resistance zone on the higher time frame, okay? These are the zones that we are talking about. So you go now, like we draw here, this channel here, the price was bouncing in between this channel here. We have also a support here. So when you are near a support or the trend line, depending on the trend, you know exactly what to do. So you locate your support, you locate your resistance, you draw your trend lines, okay, from the higher time frame, and then you switch to the lower time frame, okay. So if you're on the lower time frame, suppose the trend on the higher time frame is down, okay, so you will be looking for opportunity to sell at a key resistance level on the higher time frame, switching back to the lower time frame for your entry, okay. So the 6 element that the professional trader are using consistently without failing, this is very, very important for the TSTW24 traders, okay. So you have your powerful tool. Now locate your areas of interest, okay. You don't want to trade when the market is very quiet, okay. You don't want to trade anywhere anyhow. You locate the areas of interest on the higher time frame, and now you switch back to the lower time frame by applying your TSTW24 traders. You build your mindset, your attitude, okay, your discipline like professional traders, and then you take the opportunity that the chart, the price itself, the number one indicator, is presenting in front of you, okay. So the first thing you need to remember is the support zone on the higher time frame, and then the resistance zone on the higher time frame, the trend line areas in the higher time frame, okay. These are your areas of focus. You don't want to trade a trade in the void. You want to trade it, you want to sell like here, this channel here, we have two channels. This is the white line here, this another white line here, okay. So you are looking for opportunity in this case here. My apology for this thing coming on the screen now, okay. You are looking for opportunity to sell around this white line here in this zone here when the price itself display a weakness in those zones are in the lower time frame, okay. So you locate your channel here like I have it here. So we will be looking for opportunity to buy around this trend line here. You see this line here, okay. And we will be looking for opportunity to sell in this zone here. But also we know that there is a support, which I draw this line, or the horizontal line. Also you draw them. So when you go to your lower time frame, these are the hot spot, okay, the hot spot where you are willing to put your money in line with your TSTW24 trading system in order to participate in the market. You don't want to trade in the void, okay. So the trend, the downtrend will usually start from the key resistance levels, okay, and the uptrend will start from the key support zone in the higher time frame, and then you participate in the development of the trend from your lower time frame by locating by pinpointing your key entry point, okay. This is very important, okay. The higher time frame commands the lower time frame, and the trend in the higher time frame is the key, the most important thing. The trend is your friend. So if the trend in the higher time frame is down, you go to the lower time frame, you are looking for all the bearish chart pattern in order to take advantage of that, or a bearish divergence, okay, or a chart pattern, a bearish chart patterns, okay. Very, very important, okay. So the 6th element of the professional traders are the support zone in the higher time frame, the resistance zone in the higher time frame, the trend line in the higher time frame, okay, the higher time frame itself, the lower time frame, and the trend in the higher time frame. This is how you will trade. Our intention in the TSTW24 team is to help the ordinary traders to develop the mindset also and the ability to trade like a pro. But this will come with your dedication and your seriousness, okay, to change your mindset also and to improve your way of trading by using exactly those 6 tools: the support, the resistance, the trend line in the higher time frame, the higher time frame itself, the lower time frame, and the trend. I hope from now on you will change the way you trade, and you will also join the team of the professional traders, the TSTW24 traders. We are building a new team of ordinary traders. So please join us. And also, if you are just trading, okay, and you are losing consistently, okay, try to use those tools in your trading and to improve your trading. Okay, till the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you. For those who want to buy the TSTW24 trading system, you need to go to the www.stochastic-bankd.com. Thank you.